Today I'm going to be sharing a what's in my carry-on bag. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to pack in my carry-on for my flight. I love watching these kinds of videos because I feel like sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, I almost forgot that, or that's a good idea, never thought about that. So hopefully this is helpful for some of you guys, and I have quite a bit in this bag. This is my carry-on bag that I'm going to take. It is my Chanel Deauville tote. I usually take my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, but this time I decided to take this, and I'm going to show you guys a little hack that if you don't want to get this bag dirty. And once I started thinking about this, I was like, why didn't I think of that before? So maybe this could help you guys, and it could be really for any bag. So anyways, I'll get to the hack in a minute. But before we get started, if you have not already and you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carin and I make fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and definitely consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys liked it and you want to see more content like this. Okay, let's get started with what's inside. This is literally packed. I never thought I would pack this bag to this capacity. So we're gonna get started. First thing is a neck pillow. I love traveling with a neck pillow because I feel like if I want to sleep for a little bit, it's just so comfy to have one. And I actually have multiple neck pillows, and I decided to take this one. This one has like a fuzzy top. It's really cute. I don't even remember where I got this one. But I do have a recommendation from Amazon as well, and I'll link that below. I'll try to link everything I can that I'm showing you guys. I'll link it down below in case you want to check it out. And then for the hack for this little bag, so when you have to put your personal item under the seat in front of you, it could get possibly dirty because you don't know what's on the floor from the people before you or whatever. So we don't want to be putting a light color bag on the floor. So I don't want to get stained. So what I decided to do is take the dust bag. So even if you want to do this with your Louis Vuitton Neverfull or really any bag that you just want to protect the material from, I'm going to take this big dust bag. So right before we take off, I'm just going to put my bag in the dust bag and then put it on the seat. I've never done that before, so I'm assuming it's okay, but I'm just going to put this and cover the bag so that way when it's under the seat, there's no worry about anyone spilling anything or anything like that, and then I'm good to go. So bringing the dust bag with me, and this is quite bulky. Otherwise, I feel like I'd have a little bit more room. We're going to go on to this scarf right here. So this scarf is a dual purpose. It'd be both like for fashion, like with my outfit, or I figured this would be a really great, so this is like a blush scarf that I recently got, and it's so soft and feels like silky. You guys, I wish you could feel it right now, but it's big enough to where it's a little like blanket. So I'm gonna like cover myself, like my legs, with this or whatever, because flights can get super cold. Like I am always cold on flights, so I feel like this right here will be perfect just to like either drape around my shoulders or on my legs. Okay, up next we have my laptop. Definitely don't want to check my laptop, so I have my laptop in this case. I still have to put the charger in. I'm filming this a few days before, so I still have some time, so I definitely need to still use this yet. I have this pink laptop case, so then my my laptop just fits perfectly inside like this. So yeah, I love this case. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link, like I said, I'll try to link like this and everything that I can below, like the scarf. So that's that. Then I have this little clear case here. There's really no reason for me to use clear. It's just because I got this in a PR box and I thought it was cute with like the blush trim on it. This was from a Pixie PR package, and I'll show you guys what necessities I have inside. I did realize now that I need to put this hand sanitizer in a quart-sized bag because of the liquid rule, but otherwise the rest of this could stay. So the tissues, I have these little Altoid cinnamons. They're so cute and tiny, and I love cinnamon mints, and they're just really good. And then I have gum. I never chew gum, like ever, except if I'm on a plane. I just use it for plane just because of the air pressure. And then I have hand sanitizer. It's a must when you're traveling because who wants to get sick? Especially like when you're sitting in a seat that you don't even know how well they cleaned or whatever. Someone could have had a cold or something before you. So definitely got to bring out the hand sanitizer. And then I do have a lip balm because the air could be super drying when you're traveling. So I have this fresh lip balm in here. So you guys know I love my fresh lip balm if you've watched my videos before. So I definitely had to pack that with me. So that is everything in this case here. And then I have my wallet, which is super important for traveling. Wallet with everything that I need in it. And then I have my little change purse. This was like $8 on Amazon. I got it in blush. And it's leather, and it's super cute and handy. If I need change for anything, I did try to take most of the change out just so I had a little bit. I don't even know if I really need that though. Maybe I won't even take that. I have my sunglasses. I actually just got these and I'm loving them. I'll show you guys what they look like. I wanted a pair of round sunnies for spring, so I finally got them. And I think they are so cute. I'm trying to like look a certain way without getting the lights reflecting in it. But I think they're so cute. And I think they're so chic and fun. So got these, and of course sunglasses depending just on where your destination is. And then, okay, so in these little pockets here, I have like my bag organizer still in here, and in the one pocket I have these earphones that one of you recommended this to me actually, and I got it based on your recommendation. It was in the comments of maybe one of my Amazon videos. This is so cool. So it's an earphone like wraparound case kind of thing. So what it is like this silicone case. You open it like this and you wrap your earphones in it like that, so then they don't get all tangled up and all over the place in your handbag or your travel bag. And I just feel like it's so handy. I think it's so adorable. So it's super easy to use and it's very handy. So thank you if you recommended this to me. I have a silk scrunchie in case I want to tie my hair up on the plane without like creasing my hair. And then I also have my vlog camera. Gotta take some pictures and capture things for my travel vlog, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then in this last section here, I also have you know, my phone like charging USB cord, and then a like portable phone charger that this like charges separately, and then you don't need to be connected to anything. You just kind of like, this is the charging thing in here. This was actually once like connected to a clutch bag that it came with, but I just like cut it out of the clutch bag and now I just use it by itself. Oh, and then one other thing, a snack. So I wanted to bring a healthy snack on the plane. So I have Lara Bar. I'm loving the lemon. This is the lemon bar flavor. So good, so tasty. And I feel like for spring and like the warmer months, lemon is just so refreshing to have. So that is, I want to say, is that everything in my bag? Oh, and then my phone obviously will be with me too. But other than that, that is everything that I have packed for my carry-on bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found this helpful. If you have any other travel essentials that I missed, definitely leave them down below. And I'd love to hear, and you could help other people for next time in case they read the comments. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll have everything, as I said, linked down below for you guys in case you want to check any of it out. I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.